Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to use a search function to search for our contacts in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, we will open our phone book. We have a list of our contacts here. If we have a lot of contacts, we want to find a single one, there is a search function, this little magnifying glass. And let's search for our contact. We are looking for a dragon. Here it is. Partial name will do, or we can type the whole name, and the contact will be displayed here. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.